Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning or doing my May monthly highlights for obviously, like I said, May 2021. This kit is a kit by Sticker Guru, which is a shop that I PR for. I always pre-plan my month out, and that's why there's already stickers and it's not totally filled in. So much like my weekly spreads, I fill out and pre-plan my month. Then I come back and fill it in with my monthly highlights. So let's get started with May 1st. So first I'm going to take this bee sampler that I got from Aurora and Avalon Creations. Unfortunately, they are closed. And layer that, just cut it in half and layer that with a shoe from Crafts by Thaowie and then the Go for a Walk script from Randi Dot Plans because I didn't have much exciting things happen on Saturday the 1st, so I just went for a walk. And then I used a daisy corner deco from Sticker Guru. I love those little daisy corners, they're so cute. And by the way, I PR for Sticker Guru, so make sure you check the description for the shops that I PR for so you can get my freebie and save. On the second, I'm going to start with this really fun purple, different size kind of boxes sampler from The Giving Girl, another shop that I have a code for. And then layer that with a Sticker Guru floral and then an RX pill bottle from Strawberry Creek, which is another shop that's closed, and an RX script from Sticker Guru because we had to refill our medication on the second. On the third, I'm going to start with one of these fun watercolors, circles from Sweet Fox Paperie, that's another closed shop, and then a donate stuff icon from my Planning Addictions because we went and dropped off some things at the thrift store to donate. I'm going to layer that with one of these pretty like half dragonfly decos from Sticker Guru and a floral deco from a bouquet floral deco from JK Creates Co, which is another shop I have a code for. And then to separate that, I'm going to use a squiggle bow divider from Colored Daze, and then I have an adorable sports bra from the new doodles from Miss and Meow. These are her cute little hand-drawn fitness doodles. They are so freaking cute. And I'm going to use the sports bra because I hurt my back on the third working out. I don't know what happened. It's kind of like my tailbone, like way at the bottom of my spine. And it hurts when I lunge on my, when I use my like left leg back and lunge. I don't know. It's just this weird like pulling kind of pain. So I don't know what I did to it because it's been over a month and it still hurts. But it doesn't hurt when I'm just doing any other kind of workout. So that's good, I guess. I only feel that pain if I do a weird kind of stretch or if I am lunging, and then I have to be careful. I don't know what the heck I did. I'm always injuring myself working out, whatever. The fourth was the unofficial Star Wars May the 4th Be With You Day. So I layered that with a daisy mandala I cut in half from Sticker Guru and then a Wild Summer Designs cheeseburger doodle because I thought it'd be fun to have Han burgers, like Han Solo, for dinner for the, to kind of celebrate Star Wars Day. So pretty easy way to celebrate it. On the 5th, I used a dragonfly deco from Sticker Guru and then a donut doodle by Wild Summer Designs because my in-laws brought over some Wicked donuts, which is our first time trying them. But they had a fun Cinco de Mayo flavor, which was like a margarita donut that came with a shot of tequila in like a little pipette tube. Is interesting. So I marked that we got those donuts. Next, I'm going to use a box from the kit, from the monthly kit, and then a teardrop bow icon from The Giving Girl, along with this. It's supposed to be like hair dye, I think. It's like an icon from Hazel Sticker, but I'm just using it because it's like hair related, because I got a new hair mask on Amazon from Mark Anthony, which is really nice. It makes my hair nice and soft. And then I layered a floral deco with a bee from this sampler I got a long time ago from, I think, Inspire Ever After, the little bee sampler, with a Trader Joe's grocery bag from Fox and Pip because we went and did some grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. I'm sorry, my bad. The cute little bee freebie is from Planner Pixie Co. So then anyways, moving on to the 8th, I'm just using a box from the kit and then a Dad's House script from Strawberry Creek because my son went to his dad's house just for the day. Then I used one of these corner dragonfly decos from Sticker Guru and then a present circular icon from just like my leftover collection. I don't know who that's from because my in-laws came over to bring over my Mother's Day presents early. I don't know why. I guess they were just around or something. I don't know. But they came and brought those presents over. Then moving on to Mother's Day, I'm going to layer another bee deco from Aurora and Avalon Creations and then a Target Run icon from Style Planner. I like how it's got the Target bag and then the script next to it. because we went to Target so that my son could get me something for Mother's Day. And then I'm using one of these adorable sushi doodle things by, I think it's Doodles by Anne's. Let me double check. Because we went and had sushi for Mother's Day. Okay, sorry, right shop, but I said it wrong. I don't know why I always glaze over, like my brain just glazes over that S, but it's Doodles by Sans. Anyways, and it's adorable. So then I'm going to use another dragonfly deco and then a shopping bag icon from Dash of Sun, which is another shop I have a code for because we went to a place called Scales and Tails, which is like a little kind of reptile place. So we go there and get my son's lizard, her bugs. And then I'm going to take a box and a box from the kit, and then a spray bottle hand-drawn bow doodle from Dash of Sun from this freebie that I have from her orders, one of her orders, because we had our bug guy come and spray because he just comes once a month to spray the outside of the house to keep them from coming in. Then I used a daisy deco and then another one of those cute bees from Planner Pixie Co from that sampler, and then a Dash of Sun Designs virtual learning. Well, again, one of her hand-drawn bow doodles, and then a cat butt from Strawberry Creek. And a divider from JK Creates Co, but I cut it in half so that I wouldn't, I don't know. Sometimes I like to cut the dividers in half so they look kind of like more unique squiggles. And so the virtual learning sticker was because my son had his annual IEP meeting that I was in with his teachers and stuff. And then the cat butt I used to just mark that I deep cleaned the litter box because I do that once a month. Then on to the next day. So I'm going to take another one of these pretty boxes from this sampler from the Giving Girl. And this one is one of her eyelet kind of half boxes sort of things. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to layer that with one of the smaller dragonfly decos and then another shoe from Crafts by Thaowie because I got a bad case of plantar fasciitis and kind of disappointed because I found out that they could take 6 months to a year to heal, which I guess makes sense because you're walking on your feet all the damn time. So, but that day was the day that it was so bad. The pain had been kind of building up and I kind of ignored it because, you know, like I always feel kind of like little sore spots and things from working out. So I was like, whatever, you know, it'll just go away. And this didn't because it got so bad on that day that I couldn't even finish my walk. I usually go on a walk every day. Well, I used to, but not since starting my job, but I couldn't even finish my walk. I was like limping home. It was really bad. So, yeah, so now I have plantar fasciitis. Some days I don't feel it. Some days it's just like a normal day. And then some days it starts acting up again. And so I have to like make sure I do some stretches and like roll my foot on a frozen water bottle to help with the pain and stuff. Like my husband will massage my foot and stuff. So some days it's kind of bad. And some days I don't feel anything. So I guess that's going to be my next like year of my life. Anyways, on the next day, I'm going to take a sunflower mandala from Sticker Guru and one of these really fun sunburst frames from Dash of Sun and another Trader Joe's icon from Fox and Pip. It's funny, I didn't realize I went to Trader Joe's like exactly a week later because we went to Trader Joe's again. Then I took a print inserts icon and then the other half of that JK Creates Co divider and then another daisy deco because I needed to print out some of my checkbook registers from Annie Plans Printables. And the print insert sticker was from A Joyful Dream. Then on the 15th, I took another watercolor circle from Sweet Fox Papery and then a cell phone bow icon from the Pretty Pink Co to mark that I called our local library to RSVP for their free magic show. Then I took another daisy corner and a laptop from the Giving Girl to mark that I just put in some job applications. And then I put in half of a divider from JK Creates Co from one of her leafy dividers. On the 16th, we had a fun time playing basketball at the park, so I used a box from the kit and then one of these little checkbox squares from Planner Pixie Co just as like a little background. And this cute little park icon, it's so stinking tiny, but it's so cute. I got in a little sampler freebie from a shop called Illogical Discourse, which I've never heard of. I don't know where that freebie came from, but I'll have to check her out. Him or her or they, I don't know. I'll have to check the shop out. I also used another half of that sunflower mandala from Sticker Guru and then another cut B and a lazy day script from Letters to Apollo because I just don't remember really doing anything much that day besides going to the park. So I just marked that we had a lazy day and then I used another half of that leaf divider from JK Creates Co. Then I'm using some washi strip stickers from the Sticker Garden, which she did a collab with Sadie Stickers to sell those. So that's really amazing. And I'm just going to layer those behind another Giving Girl box along with the corner dragonfly deco and then in immunization / vaccination needle thing, hand-drawn doodle from Dash of Sun because I had to go and visit my son's pediatrician because the school wanted a vaccination record for, it's like mandatory to have, you know, updated shots for the 7th grade. But I was just kind of annoyed that I had to get another record because I already provided them a record when he entered the 6th grade, and there's literally been no changes to his vaccinations except for a flu shot. So it's like, he has the shots already, you can tell, because I gave y'all the records in the 6th grade. Anyways, though, I couldn't find the records to give them a copy myself, so I just had to go to the doctor and get another record and pay for it, but oh well. Gonna make sure to hold on to that record for the future. Then on the 18th, I'm gonna use a box from the kit and then one of these beautiful mandalas from, I think that was JK Creates Co, but I forgot to check. Oh, whoops, hold on, let me double check. Okay, yes, I was correct. And then I layered that with another bee from Planner Pixie and then a Crafts by Thaowie car icon because I registered my car because I bought a new car in April, and so I completed the registration. On the 19th, I am going to layer a box from the kit with a bow from the Planner Pixie freebie and then a backpack from Strawberry Creek because I went to the school to complete my son's registration for 7th grade now that I had the vaccine records. Then I took one of these daisy dividers and cut it in half from Sticker Guru, and I'm going to layer another pill bottle with this sunflower from Aurora Avalon and another arc script from Sticker Guru because we had to do another refill. And in between that, I'm going to put one of these squiggle dividers from Dash's Sun. On the 20th, I couldn't really figure out anything to put except for that we got Red Lobster, so this is going to be a little interesting. I'm putting a sandwich from Inspire Ever After, and then a box from the kit, and then a sushi icon from Strawberry Creek with another daisy corner. And that was, so it's weird, but that's because my husband decided to get their new Codzilla sandwich. It's like a giant cod sandwich. So that's the sandwich. And then I got, the reason we went to Red Lobster was because I had a reward for a free Baja shrimp bowl. And so that's why I put the shrimp sushi with the shrimp tail sticking out, because he had a sandwich and I had a shrimp bowl. And they were both super delicious. And it was, you know, nice to get the shrimp bowl for free. So next, I'm going to take this character from Tickled Pink Planning. She's just kind of throwing money everywhere. And I'm also going to take a Grin and Bear It, adorable little bear holding an umbrella, and it's raining. It's just so cute because I love to mark in my planner when it rains because here in the desert it hardly ever rains. But I also wanted to make the, you know, making it rain kind of girl because we got our tax refund. So big, not a lot of space, but both are important things to mark. So I just squeezed them in there. And we're very grateful that we even got a tax refund because we weren't sure if we were going to, but thanks to one of the things that Biden signed into law, we were able to work around whatever, I don't know, TurboTax stuff. We don't, you know, file like ourselves. We use TurboTax. I mean, that is filing ourselves, but they know the new TurboTax, they know all the laws, so it's like, cool, just do it that way. Anyways, so yeah, we got a refund. Great for that. Next we had to go to Scales and Tails for more bugs again, so I used AB because, like, you know, a bug, with the credit card icon from the icon that came in the kit, and then another Daisy Deco and a squiggle from, like a squiggle deco from Honey Inked. I also used a canceled script from The Giving Girl, which is, I don't know if I mentioned another shop. I have a code for you. I think I mentioned that because my husband's first day of work was supposed to be on the 25th, but something happened and he never got the stuff sent to him on time, and so he didn't end up working on that day. So his training got postponed. Moving on to the 26th, I had a job interview for my current job. So spoiler alert, I got the job. And I used a money icon from Style Planner just to mark that. Then on the 28th, 27th, the very next day, I heard back from the recruiter that I was offered the job. I got the job. So I'm going to use a couple of these, like, daisy kind of, I don't know what they are. Wreath? No, are they wreath? I don't know. Those things. Along with the Giving Girl fun size pointy box, and then an I Did It Coffee Monsters Co. emoji because, you know, like I said, they offered me the job, so I got the job. And so I've been there going on 3 weeks now, so yeah, loving it so far. On the 28th, I used a box from the kit because I went and washed my car, and it was the first car wash that I did with my new car. Well, I mean, they washed it at the dealership before I, like, drove it home, you know, but, like, for me washing the car, that was my first car wash. And so I used a So Fresh, So Clean script from Letters to Apollo. Then I layered a bow from Planner Pixie and then a scissors icon from the one that came in with the kit because I got a haircut. I was initially just going to use like half of a divider from Co, but then I thought it kind of looked weird, so I just put the other half on. And yeah, I had to drug test on the day that I got the job. They called me, they let me know I had to do the drug test, and it was a hair test. So they cut a big old chunk of my hair out of the back of my head, and I have very thin hair. So I was kind of devastated by it, and so I just decided let's just cut my hair pretty short. So I cut it like a little below the shoulders the next day. And yeah, that's what I did. On the 29th, I used another washi strip from the Sticker Garden, and then a planner from A Joyful Dream because I mailed the Recollections planner to the winner of my planner giveaway. On the 30th, my son played at the pool with my in-laws, so I used a half daisy divider from the Sticker Guru, and then a pool day, a really older icon from Dash of Sun Designs. I've had that icon for a really long time. It's so cute with the unicorn floaty. And then on the 31st was Memorial Day, so we went shopping. So I just used a daisy corner and then a little shopping cart thing, whatever, bag from the kit. And that's going to be everything for my May monthly highlights. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and my video, and I truly appreciate your support. I'm so grateful for it. Be sure you subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos, and leave me a comment if you have a question or if you just want to say hi. I'll say hi back. Hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone try to tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!